Hi, welcome to Fun Toys. Today we'll be looking at the Disney DocMcStuffins Play-Doh Doctor Kit. This kit comes with 3 character molds, a book mold, a stethoscope mold, an extruder, and 3 cans of Play-Doh. On the back of the box, it shows us some of the fun things we can do. Stamp, squeeze, shape, and press. Let's go ahead and open the box and start having some fun. Okay, so we've opened our box and we have Stuffy Dragon, Doc McStuffins in this heart-shaped cutout, and Lammy, our stethoscope with a band-aid and a heart, and our book mold that has Chili, Hallie, and a crayon. I'm going to go ahead and get started by making a Stuffy cutout. So I'm going to take my Play-Doh, I'm going to press it out, and then I'm going to begin to shape it and press it in to Stuffy Dragon mold. I'm going to press so I get a good mold. And there's the mold of Stuffy Dragon. And since I have my blue Play-Doh out, I'm going to go ahead and make an imprint of Chili over here with my book mold. Just press them in. Press that book mold closed. Open it back up. And I've got a great imprint of Chili. I'm going to set Chili and Stuffy aside while I work on a Doc McStuffins mold. I'm going to take the purple Play-Doh, has sparkles in it, and I'm going to press into my heart-shaped mold for Doc McStuffins. Press, press, press. There I have it. Doc McStuffins. And since I have the purple Play-Doh out, I'm going to make a purple crayon. Press with my book mold. Open it up. And I've got a purple crayon. That was easy and fun. Next, I'm going to take the pink Play-Doh right over here, and I'm going to make an imprint of my Lammy cutout. Get that pink Play-Doh out, smush it flat, and press it into Lammy. Can't wait to see what we get here. Let's see. There she is, Lammy. I think I'm going to make a pink Hallie as long as I have this out. Press in my book mold. And there she is, our pink hippo. Peel her off the excess Play-Doh. And there we go. That's our book mold and our cutouts. As long as I have this pink Play-Doh out, I'm also going to make a pink heart. Look at that. The mold is heart after heart after heart. Isn't that cute? I'm going to put my pink Play-Doh away now. I'm going to take my blue Play-Doh and I'm going to make a blue band-aid. Doc McStuffins needs some tools so she can make these guys better. There, a blue band-aid. And since I have my blue Play-Doh out, I'm going to go ahead and use my extruder and see what this does. Just simply pressing the Play-Doh in. And then I'm going to take this and press, press, press. And I can make a flat line. What can I do with this? Well, I think I'm going to take and add accents to my heart. Just kind of improve my DocMcStuffins heart cutout. Make it even better. There. Well, there it is. The Disney DocMcStuffins Play-Doh Doctor Kit. I hope you enjoyed watching Fun Toys. Tune in again soon for other videos.